Hello, my name is Srishti Shastri and I will be presenting Generating Parameter Comments and Integrating with Method Summaries by Dr. Giri Prasad Sridhara, Dr. Laurie Pollock, and Dr. Vijay Shankar. Dr. Giri Prasad Sridhara completed his PhD from University of Delaware and he is Research Software Engineer with IBM Research. Dr. Laurie Pollock completed his PhD from University of Pittsburgh and she is professor at University of Delaware. Her H-index is 42. Dr. Vijay Shankar completed his PhD from University of Pennsylvania and he is also professor at University of Delaware and his H-index is 43. The paper was published in 2011 in IEEE conference and the paper itself has been cited for 41 times. The research questions addressed by the paper are: first, how to get high-level overview of role of parameters in a method. Second, how to describe technique to automatically generate comments. The motivation of the paper are: first, heuristics to identify the main role of formal parameter automatically and to connect it with the computational intent of method. Second, heuristics to generate accurate phrases for a formal parameter automatically. Third, to evaluate the accuracy, utility, and necessity of the generated parameter comments and augmented method summaries by the experienced developers. So the goal was to generate accurate comments with proper synopsis and to ensure that these comments were connected to computational intent of the method. But there were two challenges with these goals. First, to determine the role of each parameter and the statement which is implementing that role. Whenever formal parameter is used in more than one statement, then it is challenging to determine which statement among these represent the primary usage of the parameter. Moreover, in identifying the major role of parameter, it is challenging to estimate the closeness of each of the uses of parameter with the computational intent of the method, and then using the closeness as an indicator to understand how important the usage is to the purpose of parameter. The second challenge is to identify the linking context between a parameter used in its main role and the method's intent. Here, the challenge is not only to generate parameter comments, but also to ensure that these comments are placed in context of method's summary. It also presents several challenges like how to identify these linking artifacts automatically, which code artifacts provide linking context for particular parameter, and how to ensure that the generated comments are not too lengthy. Both structural and linguistic information is used by automatic parameter comment generator. Also, information from control flow graph, control and data dependencies, along with textual clues from software word usage model are used. Necessary linguistic information is provided by software usage model, which is essential for generating comments. It not only captures the occurrences of word in code, but also their linguistic and structural relationship. To determine the method's intent, the summary is automatically generated using the summary comment generator. This summary generator selects the content that should be present and generates concise natural language phrases to describe the selected content. This figure explains the approach for generating parameter comment. Here the input is Java method with linguistic and structural representation and computational intent. Step 1 is to find all S units in which the formal parameters are used. Then step 2 performs the first part of finding the most important uses of a parameter to prune uses of formal parameter that are less likely to be executed. Then step 3 performs the second part of finding most important uses of a parameter with linking context and closeness estimation. In step 4, the S units which are closest to the method's intent are selected, and in step 5, the phrases are generated for selected S units and any additional S units that are required for linking parameter comment with method intent. These selected S units are described by a verb phrase, and then transformations are applied to verb phrase. At last, the comments can be placed depending on the user preference. To evaluate the generated parameters, a procedure was followed where 9 human evaluators were asked to judge the generated comments and answer a set of questions. So 18 methods were judged by the developers, and these 18 methods had 33 parameters. Moreover, 22 new phrases were added while integrating the parameter comments with method summaries, and it also augmented 12 existing summary phrases with additional information, which led to 34 modified or added phrases. Each evaluator was given 6 methods to evaluate, and this table consists of questions and answer choices which are shown to evaluators. For each formal parameter of the method, the questions on accuracy and utility standalone were repeated, and necessity was asked for each of the 34 phrases. So there are some threats to validity. First, the result may not generalize to other Java programs, and in order to attenuate this, 6 large open source programs across different domains were chosen. Second, the results might not hold with longer methods and other languages, and it is required to address portability to other languages and studies with longer methods. Third, the result may not be applicable to beginner Java programmers, so the study should be conducted with such programmers. Lastly, the comparison with developer-written parameter comments is not performed, which means that such comments will provide information that cannot be obtained from code, and there is no unbiased way to identify the methods with such comments. The table shows the individual developer responses and majority opinion for accuracy. According to developers, the generated parameter comments are accurate in 89 out of 99 responses. Considering majority opinion in 32 out of 33 parameters, developers said that the generated comments are accurate. When we look at the slight accuracy column, so it is not due to parameter essentially, but because of majority developers who felt that the comments should also include additional information. The opinion of developers on the utility of generated parameter comments is shown in this table. So here, 42 out of 99 responses indicate that generated parameters provided important information, and 47 out of 99 responses indicate that generated comments provided critically important information. Also, if majority opinion per parameter is considered, then according to majority, all 33 parameters provided critically important or important information. Here, this table indicates the developer's opinion on utility of added or modified phrases. 41 out of 54 opinions suggest that important or critically important information has been provided by adding comments to the summary. And for 15 out of 18 methods, important or critically important information is provided by adding comments to parameters. There was no method for which the added comments were detrimental or not important. For 2 out of 18 methods, the added comments were neither important nor unimportant. There were 3 such methods where evaluators felt that the role of parameter was obvious and comments added were not important or critically important to understand the method's intent. This table indicates the necessity of adding the parameter comments to the existing summary. So here 34 phrases were added or modified, and 69 out of 100 opinions said that the addition was necessary, and only one opinion suggested that the addition was unnecessary. According to majority, 25 out of 34 phrases were necessary, and 9 out of 34 were probably unnecessary but tolerable, and no added or modified phrase was definitely unnecessary. To provide high-level overview of role of parameter in facilitating the anticipated functionality of method, the authors presented a technique which can generate automatic comments for parameters of Java method. And it is strongly suggested by the results of study that goal of generating accurate comments and integration of parameter comments with the summary are fulfilled. Also, according to 9 experienced developers, the comments generated are correct and also useful in providing viewpoint on purpose of parameter in accomplishing the method's intent. Some of the tasks that can be performed in future are: first, the system can be improved by analyzing additional methods with the help of varying features. Second, the evaluation can be expanded that can include longer methods and inexperienced programmers. Third, the system can be ported to other languages such as C++.